tell you, you better listen to me, okay? Don't always think about going for what dream job. You just find a stable job, work hard, and then you stay in that job for as long as possible. If not, how to pay bills and take care of me when I'm old? Your young people are always not practical one, you know.
I also don't know what to do. Just see what jobs are out there and then apply lor.
But don't you think it's better if we actually find a job that suits us? Something that's more aligned to our strengths and interests?
True. But whichever company that wants to take me, I just work there lah. Think so much also no use.
If I'm not doing this job, I'm also not sure what else I can do.